Hello guys, welcome to Arts by Neil, and today we are going to carve a Lord Ganesha figure on chalk, and here are the tools we are going to use. So initially we will draw the shape with divider on chalk. Here is the diagram which we are going to make on the chalk. And after that we'll start the carving. Just before carving you'll have to dip the chalk in water, and while carving we'll have to place the cutter on the line which we are going to carve and press it in the backward or forward direction where you want the depth. Initially we are carving the mukut of Lord Ganesha, and to make it we are sharpening the chalk as a pencil. So it's almost sharpened, and now we will make some designs on it. The shape is almost appearing. Okay. So now we will carve the sides of the trunk, because when we carve the sides, the main portion, the main trunk will appear. You can see. And while carving, you'll have to make clean cuts and keep on cleaning the chalk after every move. So it's clearly appearing. So same carving we have done on the another side, you can see. Just cleaning the areas where we want the depth. And now we are carving the hands as per the picture. The process is same. You'll have to draw the shape with the cutter, and then you'll have to carve the areas where we want the depth. As you can see, I am cleaning after every single move. Guys, if you are liking this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so the hand is almost appearing. You can see. Before moving to the next hand, we will just clean the areas with cutter and make them fine and regular in shape. Now we are making the another hand, same as we did earlier. Initially we are drawing it with cutter, and then we are carving it. Okay, so just a bit of cleaning with brush. You'll have to maintain the ratio. That means if you are carving to certain amount in one hand, you'll have to maintain the ratio in another hand as well. Otherwise the figure will not appear proper and appropriate. It will look irregular in shape. Guys, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Now I am just carving the tummy, the cutest part on Lord Ganesha's figure. And to make it more realistic, I am making the navel with the divider and just cleaning off the dust. You'll have to draw every fine area with the divider, or you can use any pin. Safety pin is also very good. Guys, follow me on Facebook as well. Now I am carving the area for the legs. So for the legs, separately 2 legs, I am just carving the middle area. Cleaning is quite necessary after every move. Carving the ears. Okay, now I am drawing the eyes with divider. And a design on trunk of Lord Ganesha. So a bit of more design on the mukut of Lord Ganesha. I am making a design on the base of the figure. Okay, so the figure is complete. Here is the final output, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind.